Hey, what's cooking off the bacon, family? Quick video here. Is AI killing freelancer jobs? Maybe. Look, AI is getting better every day, and it's beginning to automate tasks that were once done by humans. This is a good thing for some people, but it's bad news for others. Freelancers are especially at risk, and that's because AI can often do their jobs just as well, if not better than they can. So what do you do to protect yourself? Here are 3 tips.
Specialize. One of the best ways to protect yourself from AI is to specialize in a niche skill. If you're a writer, for example, specialize in writing about a particular topic such as technology or healthcare. This will make it more difficult for AI to replace you because it will be harder to find an AI that is as knowledgeable about your niche as you are. Number 2, be creative. AI is good at automating tasks that are repetitive and routine, but it's not so good at tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve, focus on developing your creative and problem-solving skills. This will make you more valuable to clients and less likely to be replaced by AI. And lastly, offer additional services. In addition to your core freelance service, consider offering additional services that AI can't easily replicate. For example, if you're a web designer, you could also offer copywriting or SEO services. This will make you a more attractive option for clients and make it more difficult for AI to compete with you.
Yeah, AI is a powerful tool that can be used for good and for bad. It's important to be aware of the potential risks to freelancers, but it's also important to remember that AI can also be an opportunity. By following these tips, freelancers can protect themselves from AI and even use it to their advantage. What are your thoughts on AI and its impact on freelancers? Let me know in the comments below. Peace.